FFE is a 25-year-old NGO, and we've been granting merit cum means scholarships to students in engineering and medicine throughout India. To date, we've granted scholarships to over 25,000 students. The unique aspect of the scholarship program is that every student who is a recipient of the scholarship signs a pledge. And the pledge is to support the education of at least 2 students like themselves whenever they can by making a donation to the foundation. And the alumni then become a very important part of our self-sustainability model and the circle of giving. So we leveraged the power of our alumni and partnered with Cognizant Foundation to create a new partnership called the FFE Cognizant Foundation Alumni Matching Grant Program, wherein scholarships were to be awarded to students, 50% of which came from Cognizant Foundation and 50% from our own alumni. This program began in 2016 and has been very successful. This combined partnership has supported 236 students, and about 1,400 of FFE's alumni have contributed in the last 4 years to support this unique program. Of the 236 students, 75% of them have got jobs after they've graduated. A few of them are pursuing higher studies, and the remaining 25% are continuing to look for opportunities, which I hope they will get despite the terrible pandemic. I'm delighted that this unique program, which has been so successful, has been one that we have very proudly showcased to other corporates, to foundations, and to individuals, where it has clearly shown the power of giving and the impact that it can create. We are sure that this partnership will only continue to grow, because as we speak to students who have been supported through this Cognizant Foundation scholarship, we hear from many of them, particularly the women, who say that if they had not got the scholarship, they may have had to discontinue their studies. And that would be such a waste of human potential. The program has grown with Cognizant Foundation, with about 200 students being supported in engineering today. We also think that there's plenty more potential with Cognizant Foundation and with Cognizant Technologies. We hope we can get employees from Cognizant Technologies as mentors to our students, opportunities for internships, summer projects, and finally jobs. I'm very proud, truly happy to know that several of FFE's alumni today are successfully employed at Cognizant Technologies. This really shows us the power of giving and the power of a partnership. I only hope that this will grow and the engagement will deepen. And my heartfelt thanks to Cognizant Foundation for this very rewarding opportunity. Thank you.